Happy travelers, vacation travel hacks here with the 7 Dwarfs wait times, continuing the series of how to shorten your standby time without investing in Genie Plus. And there are some opportunities here with the 7 Dwarfs ride. As you know, actually it's a pay per ride, so it's an individual lightning lane. And what is winning here? So winning is less than 100 minutes. So we're going to look for opportunities to spend less than 100 minutes, but not invest in Genie Plus. So we already know the rope drop philosophy: get there early, be the first. You're going to be under 100 minutes. But shortly after 9:30, 10 o'clock, we start getting up into the nearly 2 hour range, over 2 hour range. But I want you to pay attention as we work through the afternoon. Something very magical happens between 3 and 3:30. One is everybody is getting ready to park hop to their next destination. That's one element of it. The second element is people are losing the wind. The rope droppers, they're starting to get very tired, and we are in transitioning period. I've seen this at many days when I was there. Many days, even during New Year's Eve, there was this drop where there was about a 40-minute drop. The other thing is, as it peaks between the 130-minute range, people are like, I don't want to stand in line for 2.5 hours, or that's craziness. So look for that midday drop as the transition occurs. But note, once it gets below 100 minutes, you and all the other people who are trying to avoid spending money on Genie Plus, boom, look at that, goes up about 30 minutes, 4 o'clock. And it's going to stay above 100 minutes until people start getting out of line to see the fireworks show. And they get out of line a little early. You see people, the volume starts getting in front of the castle for the big event. As you know, nobody does a fireworks show like Disney does fireworks show. And if you're getting in line at 8, by the time you get on the ride, if it is the 75-minute wait, you're going to miss the fireworks. So right as the fireworks occur, if you watch the fireworks behind the castle at 9 o'clock, it's still below 100 minutes. But note, once the fireworks are over, a lot of people, again, you're paying, somewhere between 12, 16, 20 bucks for this ride. Who they're like, whoa, let's not get on the bus yet. Let's avoid the line. Let's go to a high value ride. Let's close out with Slinky Dog. Then we'll go back to 100 to 2 hours. So there's a couple different ways to avoid the 100 minutes. Rope drop. Look for the shift swap is what I call it, the shift between the morning and the afternoon. Your target for that will be between 3 and 3:30, and then the pre-firework crowd, the volume dip. And if you look at that strategy, take a look at the wait times. Even during volume times, spring break, for example, these are data points from spring break, early peak. So it's there. Pay attention to it. Save money, save your feet. I'll see you in the next video. Travel safe.